Page 156, Hush Little Baby. In this lesson, they're trying to get you to create your own accompaniment to this melody. But we're using both hands in the accompaniment, and somebody else is doing the melody. Okay, we've had these before. I'd like to hear the melody first. Now this is in 1 flat, we're in the key of F major. That's the melody. Then the chords. Well, we've been using the 1 and the 5/7 chords, and in F major, that's this chord and this chord. So basically, and they're giving you the Roman numerals, so you don't have to figure out which chord to use this time. They're telling you underneath. You just got to figure out where it is. Here, all they're doing is they're using the root of the chord. The F chord is the 1, and the 5/7 chord is here. They're using the root of the chord, that's in the left hand, so it's just here. So if it's a 1 chord or a 5 chord, that's it for the left hand. They do that all the way through, okay. The right hand is a broken chord in this position. Because the first 2 measures tell me what it is. Then I just got to follow the numbers. You know, paint by numbers, yeah? Basically, they're giving it to you. And then somebody else does the melody. You want to try it out? I'll play the melody, and you can play your part. I can't hear you, but you can hear them both, I hope. So I'm going to give myself 4 counts, and if you want to do the melody, or the harmony along with me, do that. You can hear it at least. 1, 2, ready, go. Now keep in mind, you need to stay under the melody. Don't play it like you're playing a solo. Listen to me. How wonderful I sound. No, you're background. You got to stay in the background. I played that a little louder than soft, but however, if the melody is soft, then you got to be very soft. They're telling you very soft, but they shouldn't need to. You should know that. You stay under the melody. It's important. And even in the music, a lot of times when they give you this stuff, they will actually give you the same dynamic as the melody. And I think that's, ugh. So you have to adjust it, bring it down. Don't play it at the dynamic shown. Stay under the melody at all times. And also, since we're on the subject of accompanying, when you're accompanying somebody, it's important that you follow them, if possible. In theory, the soloist, whoever has the melody solo, is in charge, and they lead. They do what they do, and you're just following along. You're just going along. What I found in years and years of accompanying students is they would not take charges. I try and get them to do that, and they wouldn't do it. I still ended up having to lead. And sometimes if you have a timid soloist, you have to take charge and lead. They're more comfortable if somebody else is in charge. It's not how it should be, in my opinion, but you got to do what you got to do in the situation. So you may have to take the lead, but if they want it, if the soloist wants to take the lead, let them. Absolutely, yeah.